Hey guys, so it's Vlogmas day 16. I just did some morning stuff, even though it's like almost 1, but I work until 1, so it's morning to me, but I'm not too sure of what all is going on today. All I know is that I work, and aside from that, I'm not too entirely sure. Before work, I still need to meal prep my meals for like the next few days, and I'd like to glue on my nails because I got a set at Ulta. Got a set of nails at Ulta yesterday that was really hard to get out, and I don't know, I'd like to have some holiday-y nails, so yeah, we're just gonna vibe. I'm currently working on yesterday's vlog. I got like all edited. I'm just looking for some like different music to put in there because there's like a lot of baking and time lapses and stuff, so I'm trying to break it up a little bit. So if you guys have any suggestions on what kind of editing or what kind of content you guys would like to see, definitely let me know down below. I do read all my comments. There's not many yet, but I do. Yeah, so I'm going to finish up this vlog, probably start watching other Vlogmases, and just probably see you guys on my meal prep, because I'm debating if I want to do what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks, or like I like a spur of the moment idea. I'm like, maybe I'll try that today and like change it up a little bit, you know? So yeah. So after doing the dishes, I'm going to start meal prepping my lunches for the next few days, which I've been taking burrito bowls lately. So right now I'm just cooking up some cilantro lime rice, throwing some butter so it's all follows the recipe, I guess. And then I'm also heating up some of these chorizo crumbles from Morningstar. And then I'm taking an avocado, I'm taking half of it, I'm going to smush it, add lime juice, salt, and pepper just to throw on top and mix in. It won't go into the general bowl because I don't like reheated guac. I don't think anyone really does. Putting that to the side, and then I'm going to assemble my bowl. So I just throw rice about little less than half of the container, and then I add in a few spoonfuls of black beans. Then I top it off with the chorizo and pat that down, and then I add some shredded cheese on top, and then I'm just going to pack that up. So I just got done getting ready. I just threw on a little bit of mascara and concealer and got dressed. I have to leave like in a half an hour, so I'm gonna hold off on putting on my nails until later tonight, I think, just because I don't want them to like not be fully dry and then pop off in like 15 minutes. So that's the plan. You guys watch me pack my lunch and meal prep my lunches for like the rest of the week. Basically, it usually averages out to about 3 meals for me, and yeah, I will see you guys probably whenever I get home from work. Like I said, I really want to do my nails. If the bag wasn't buried, I'd show you guys them right now, but like they're really pretty. So yeah, I will see you guys later tonight.